Well, good morning, YouTube in the Philippines. Hope everybody's having a wonderful day. Hope your weekend went well, especially for those of you who are already getting into Monday. Uh, we're about 4 hours into Sunday here, so somewhere somebody's 4 hours into Monday or something like that. Anyway, uh, Anyway, this is William from Williams, Philippines, and it is about coming up on 4 a.m. on Sunday, June 23rd, 2024. Hope everybody's having a blessed day. I actually got some rest today, or yesterday. How do you put that? I got to sleep when it was supposed to be my sleep time, and I actually ended up getting two good chunks. One of them about a good 6 hours, and one about a good 4 hours. So, yay! That's very good. I needed it. Actually woke up kind of rested. Moving a little slow, and I tried to sleep through some of my alarm clocks. I think I was on the fifth and the sixth one going off still. Slept through the other ones. It happens. But I needed it. And I actually woke up rested, just stiff and sore. Apparently when you go to sleep and, just don't toss and turn, we get old, we get stiff, we get sore. We need to toss and turn some to keep the body from locking up. It is what it is. But let's see. I think I'm going to just work inside the house when I get home. Try to get a little bit of the stuff packed or tossed into a pile, a couple trash bags to throw away. I come to realize I've got more and more stuff that just needs to go out the door and be gone. And I don't know. There's some stuff that needs to be, get to my garage sale if I can ever get around to it. Why is there so much stuff to do just to get out of here? It is what it is. Apparently I have collected way too much stuff for way too long. And it is what it is. Sorry about that. Here, earthquake. No. We don't get those here in the Panhandle of Texas too much. I understand the Philippines does. And you guys got volcanoes too, so I don't know. I've never been much on the idea of earthquakes. I kind of like having, here in the Panhandle of Texas, it's a fairly stable environment, but we get tornadoes that come through, flash floods that, comes through and dumps a bunch of water, and it just stands because it can't run away fast enough. And then you get some of those spots where it's all running away too, and it goes from dry, no water, to 5, 6, 8 foot of water in a matter of 3-4 minutes. Yeah. There are some gullies around here that just, fill up real quick. One of the spots that I deal with on a fairly regular basis, on the way to work, there's a place where the main road, Emerald Boulevard, actually goes under a train track. And that thing can fill up, and I remember hitting it one time. I was not paying attention. I was tired on my way home, and it had been downpouring for a good bit, and I got there and there was about 2 foot of water, and my truck tried to do weird things when I went charging through there at about 40 miles an hour. I was going faster when I hit it, or before I hit it, but I tried to get on the brakes because I realized I was about to hit it, and yeah, I tried to slow down. But I went through there at about 35, 40 miles an hour, and hydroplane, anything? Anybody know about that word? Yeah, I experienced some of it. Yeah, all of a sudden you hit a spot of road that has a bunch of water on it. Yeah, you got to pay attention when you're driving. Thing I understand over there is most folks don't travel at, 50, 80, 100 mile an hour. Let's see, what? Yeah, I don't know exactly what 100 mile an hour is. I think it's like 220 something kilometers per hour. Y'all just don't travel that fast. I hit 75, 80 miles an hour on the way home, and it's only 4 miles away from here. Get up on the highway and fly. That's something I'm going to have to get used to the idea of, is not getting up on the road and flying. Y'all just ain't got the roads to support that kind of, momentum and speed. But that's one of the things I want to come over there and is learn to slow down and be more at peace. Because, oh Lord, I know I need more peace in my life. Don't need the stress load. I want my biggest stress to be how much money to spend on fish bait. Yeah. I want to have enough bait so that I don't have to leave the beach too early, but not enough bait that I have to stay until it gets too hot. Find that little perfect window, and yeah, I can deal with that. Like I say, that's about all the stress load I want to have to handle. I can deal with that. Anyway, I get home tomorrow morning and work inside. Start really looking at things as to, is it worth trying to sell? Or is it just something I hope might sell and really just need to toss out? And if somebody takes it, they yay. If they don't, yay. I don't know. Encourage some dumpster divers. I don't know. We'll see. But I do need to get around to having a garage sale here pretty soon. Maybe start one on a Thursday and keep it going until Sunday morning. Well, Sunday around noon. Anything that's not sold by then, just walk it out to the curb and leave it. If somebody picks it up, they pick it up. If they don't, leave it there for the trash man to come by and pick up. Oh, they came by and picked up my trash pile that I had out there with all the pallets and such. Yeah, got rid of a whole bunch of stuff. So, yay. Anyway, I hope you all are having had a blessed weekend, or are having a good blessed Sunday. And for those of you who are already into your Monday, well, have a blessed Monday. It is what it is. Anyway, thank you, all my YouTube subscribers. This is Williams Philippines, and I'm Fish, and Fish is out.